Guys, welcome to this episode of my channel. So today, I just got something sick. It came in today. You're gonna see it. Yeah, I guess you see it from my birthday since my birthday's tomorrow. You probably already saw it. Maybe not. I don't know. Look what it came with. Oh no! A Cyberplex. Huh? Okay, there's a Cybertruck and a Cyberplex. Just came in today. This one's like this one. You just have to do this to move it. This one has a normal control. Cybertruck. So yeah, that's really it. So, remember to like, subscribe, remember Fab will stay, and see you later, alligators.